Dear students, in this video I explain the first characteristic property of liquids. All liquid matter has mass. Okay, see this example. Take a physical balance and take two glass tumblers, but the mass of these two tumblers should be same, equal. These two tumblers should be equal in mass. And take some water, some liquid in one glass tumbler. The blue color portion is the water, and keep the other tumbler empty. Now, when a glass tumbler with liquid is kept on one side of this physical balance and the other side of the physical balance, keep the glass tumbler without water, then what did you observe? The balance, the physical balance tilts towards, bends towards that side, the tumbler containing the liquid. Why? Because the liquid matter has mass. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the second characteristic property of liquids with this example. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.